Dear students, welcome to this first part of this eco design course. So, the idea is like you know that there are a lot of sustainability trends, and definitely industry has a lot of impact in the process, not only in the production, in the destruction of many raw materials, or in the end of life of the products in with the waste. So there are many elements that have to be um, checked during the production of products. So, but the idea is like in many cases, the market as well has a lot of impact in that, like because there are many products that have been developed, but the products needs to evolve. They need to adapt to the new requirements of the customers and the requirements of the market. As well, they can be improved in terms of sustainability. That's why eco design has a very big step in the change of sustainability, because if you design better products, it's possible to create a better sustainable environment. So the idea is like there are many solutions, and I will present some of them in order that you understand this concept. In some cases, eco design is focused in renewable energy, like for example, solar, wind power, and there are many other renewable energy that can be used for the products. As well, some companies, for example, Orbit Wheel, have developed products that are more simple, that require less production and less elements. So, for example, if you compare with a traditional roller skate, you need like a specific choose for each user. So in this case, this product Orbit will provide a product that is more generic, and almost any person can use it. It doesn't mind the size of the feet. In some cases, for example, the cover of this pen can be used in another function, for example, as a fork or as a knife. So it is good because it will reduce the amount of materials in some cases. Or for example, in the case of assembly, if it doesn't have any kind of glue, it's very easy to disassemble. So it is easier to transport, and as well it will be easier to disassembly when it's going to be recycled or repair. Or in this case, for example, if you see these tables, they don't have any kind of glue as well, but they assemble, they simply just with the design, so you don't need any other materials, extra materials, so you will less materials. Like for example, it doesn't have any screws, so that's good. Another possibility is like have long-lasting solutions. As you can see, these fabric bags have been designed in order that you can reuse them as much as possible. So if you see a normal plastic bag, it's only like 1 or 2 times that you use it, and with a fabric, you can use it for more than 5 years or even longer. In other cases, for example, you can reuse another elements that are not used anymore. For example, these containers that they used to be an element to move things. Now they can be used for housing or for some architecture or some elements like that. In other cases, some companies are focused on the services. Like in this case, this company offer the services of carpets. So when they offer this service, they provide this to the customer. So the customer is not the owner of the carpets. So when the carpets are damaged, the company of the carpets make sure that is repaired, and they will definitely create a better product because that's the idea of the business. Other cases, for example, is recycling materials. So those were some of the examples. So I hope that you enjoyed the course and you learned a lot. So Thank you very much.